Hiring freshers seemed like the right move. They brought enthusiasm, energy, and the right degrees. But just a few weeks in, things started falling apart. Yes, they understood the tools, but they struggled with teamwork, ownership, and adapting to the pace. The senior team spent more time fixing than moving forward. They realized the real problem wasn't the freshers, it was the missing preparation. Being qualified didn't mean they were ready to contribute. That's when they met graduates trained by Gradious. These weren't typical freshers, they had real project experience, communication skills, and industry exposure. They showed up knowing what was expected and how to deliver it. With job-focused training, regular industry feedback, and 360-degree development, they fit in from day one. Finally, hiring started helping, not hurting the team. With Gradious-trained talent, the team doesn't just grow in size, it grows in strength. Want freshers who are truly job-ready? Let's talk.